how do I fix? Domain must have at least one email server, error in the Toolbox app. I've typed in the MX records and also used presets from Squarespace. Let's go and have a look at what a set of healthy MX records look like. So if I go to mxtoolbox.com, go ahead and put in my domain name. This is going to load my DNS records, and these happen to be called MX records. Now the MX records are the mail records. These are the ones that make sure that your email actually goes to Google when someone types in your email address. And these are very important to have on your domain, because if they're missing or they're corrupt or they're set incorrectly, then you simply won't get email. And sometimes people don't even get a bounce back when the email isn't successfully delivered. Most of the time they do, but sometimes they don't. So it's pretty important to make sure that you get this right. Now, mail records have different sets of priorities. That's what this pref, or standing for preference, table column means. And 1 is first preference, 5 is obviously second preference, 10 is the next preference. These are gaining priority through numbers. The lower the number, the higher the priority. And you can see here there's different servers with the same priority sometimes. So it will just basically, like a round robin, share the priority between those different servers. Now, these are domain names, and they're being translated into IP addresses, which are Google's servers. It's even labeled with Google there as well as their Google servers. And that's how basic domain names and MX records work. Now, there's some other technical stuff here, like how quickly they update when you change something. That's getting more into the technical detail. But if you don't have valid records in your DNS settings or your domain name settings, then you don't receive any email. So it's really important to get these right. Now, if you're stuck with these and you need help setting your MX records, fixing your MX records, click the link down below. We have a fast track service. It's called Quick Fix, and we can help you to restore your domain records if you're in Australia or the US or anywhere in those time zones during business hours. We have instant support available for you. So you click the button, chat to our team on our website, and they'll be able to help you with these immediately for a very reasonable price. But if you'd like some more help, we actually have a guide on our channel, and the guide will help you to configure your records from scratch. But if you get to a point where you've followed our guides on the channel, you've set up your MX records, you've set up your text record, you've set up your SPF record, which is like an anti-spam record. Well, if you're getting an error that you need at least one MX record, I'm assuming there's a problem with what you've typed in. Now, sometimes people do something, really obvious, right? And they'll put like the number in front of the domain name. Don't do that. Sometimes they'll put in an IP address instead of a domain name. Don't do that. Sometimes they'll put in your domain name in the host name, and then the host name is in another field somewhere else. Don't do that. So just be careful to check it. And remember that if you go to this tool, mxtoolbox.com, put in your domain name, if this is not returning a nice set of records here, which match the Workspace MX records help guide, here it is. If your records don't match these records here, well, maybe something's wrong with how you've entered them, and you might need to give them another go at redoing them. If you need more help with what we've covered in this video, itGenius provides support services to businesses all over the world with problems just like this. Click the link below to get started.